ಹಲೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆಧಾರ್ LMS ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಂದು LMS ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಸನ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಧಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದೇ ಥರದ ಹೊಸ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೆಯಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಎ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಎನಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಎನಿ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ministry, state government. Option C, any citizen of India. Option D, any individual capable of running business. Right answer is option B, any entity under central government, ministry, state government. Question number 2, which of the following should be avoided not to be done by the register? Option A, responsible for field level executions, monitoring and edit, display adequate information about Aadhaar enrollment and update on their website. Option C, use the information collected during enrollment for any purpose other than Aadhaar enrollment update. Option D, allow UIDAI reasonable access to the premises occupied by it in case required. Right answer is option C, use the information collected during the enrollment for any purpose other than Aadhaar enrollment update. Question number 3, registrars shall at all times abide by the code of conduct as specified in dash for Aadhaar enrollment update. Option A, Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulations. Option B, GFR rules. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulations. Question number 4, who among the following is responsible for evaluating the applications of agencies and empanel the eligible agencies as enrolling agencies? EA. Option A, Central Ministry. Option B, a register and UIDAI. Option C, both 1 and 2. And option D, UIDAI. And the right answer is option B, a register and UIDAI. Question number 5, what are the basic responsibility of a register? Option A, adherence to Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulations. Option B, hire, engage enrolling agency and monitor its functioning. Option C, ensure that any enrollment agency and or persons employed or appointed by them to conduct the enrollment and update operations are certified. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question number 6, which persons or entity among the following is eligible to become a enrolling agency? Option A, any individual fulfilling the conditions mentioned in RFE for enrollment agency specified by register UIDAI. Option B, any individual capable of running a business. Option C, any certified operator or supervisor. Option D, any individual who own a Aadhaar enrollment update device. Right answer is option A, any individual fulfilling the conditions mentioned in RFE for enrollment agency specified by the register or UIDAI. Question number 7, which of the following criteria should an individual quality to be eligible for a supervisor role? First one, should be of age 18 years and above. Second, shall be 10 plus 2 pass ITI, should have Aadhaar number. Fourth, should have obtained supervisor certificate from a testing and certification agency. Fifth, should have obtained a certificate in basic of computers. Right answer is first, second and third. Option A, first, second and third. Option B, first, third and fourth. Option C, first, second, third and fourth. And option D, all the given options. Right answer is option C, first, second, third and fourth. Question number 8, Which of the following should an individual process before starting his or her role as EA supervisor? Option A should process basics in computer education certificate. Option B should be a graduate. Option C should be comfortable with local language keyboard and transliterations. Option D should be a prominent persons within the given reason. Option C is the correct answer. Should be comfortable with local language keyboard and transliterations. Question number 9. Who among the following is responsible for setting up of the laptop desktop with Aadhaar client installed and tested at enrollment center? Option A authority, option B register, option C operator or supervisor, option D IT technician. Right answer is option C operator or supervisor. Question number 10. Supervisor must submit his or her onboarding form along the required documents to the enrollment agency, which in turn submits the form to dashed concerned for verification. Option A authority regional office, option B verification officer, option C another supervisor, option D a register office. Right answer is option A authorities regional office. Question number 11. Who among the following is considered as enrolled users during the operator or supervisor onboarding? Option A user who introduced other residents who cannot produce proof of identity or proof of address. Option B, a users who has filled the enrollment form to get Aadhaar. Option C, a users who has appeared at an enrollment center to get enrolled for Aadhaar. Option D, operators, supervisors whose biometric verification is successfully completed and stored in the enrollment client. Right answer is option D. Question number 12. In case of introducer based enrollment, which of the given additional information shall be collected? First one, introducer's signature. Second, introducer's thumb impressions. Third, introducer's Aadhaar number. Option A, only one. Option B, only second. Option C, both second and third. And option D, all the given option. Right answer is option D, all the given options. Next, question number 13. As part of managing the enrollment center, which of the following should a supervisor do? Option A, sign office every enrollment and Aadhaar client. Option B, use a find Aadhaar facility to ensure fresh residents have never enrolled. Option C, ensure that the operators provides his or her biometric confirmation after every Aadhaar enrollment update. And option D, all the given option. Right answer is option D, all the given options. Question number 14. Supervisors also ensures that enrollment stations are sanctioned at least once in every dash. Option A 10 days, option B 15 days, option C 20 days, option D month. Right answer is option A 10 days. Next, question number 15. Which of the following should a supervisor ensure to backups and export data? First, take backup of all enrollment data twice a day to external hard disk. Second option, send all the day-to-day enrollment details to your personal email ID. Third one, and since enrollment stations at least once in every 10 days. Fourth, maintain a register for a data exported. Fifth, save all the data on Google Cloud. Option A, first, second, and fourth. Option B, first, third, and fourth. Option C, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Option D, all the given options. And the right answer is option B, first, third, and fourth. Question number 16. At the end of the day, supervisor should allow the operator to review the enrollment packets created by him. Option A, true, and option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 17. In case of any error found in the enrollment data entered, which of the following should be done? Option A, use discretions to fill in the details correctly. Option B, a supervisor needs to identify the correct data. Option C, inform the resident to come to the enrollment center within corrections time frame. Option D, go to the resident's house and collect the right details. The right answer is option C, inform the resident to come to the enrollment center within correction time frame. Question number 18. Which are the following actions should a supervisor do after day and review? Option A, sign off by giving his or her fingerprint. Option B, send a small to authority. Option C, send bulk SMS to the residents enrolled for the day. Option D, ask operator to sign off giving his or her fingerprint. So right answer is option A, sign off by giving his or her fingerprint. Question number 19. A supervisor monitors and edits the functions at the enrollment centers. How does the edit feedback help the entire team? Option A, remove the underperforming operations. Option B, cut the pay of the operators whose performance is not up to the benchmark. Option C, identify the areas of improvement of enrollment operations and data quality. Option D, escalate the matters to the authority. The right answer is option C, identify the areas of improvement of enrollment operations and data quality. Question number 20. Last question is, who is an operator or supervisor? Option A, a person who handles the functions of an enrollment agency like cleaning, electricity, connections, etc. Option B, a mediator between the authority and enrollment agency. And option C, an individual employed by an enrollment agency to execute enrollment at the enrollment stations. Option D, a resident who comes to enrollment agency to get enrolled for other. And the right answer is option C, an individuals employed by an enrollment agency to execute enrollment at the enrollment station. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ 20 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಇತರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.